Welcome home. Those are words we've all heard over the years that have made us feel better. Baptist churches from across our city have gathered together to build a house, and St. Matthew's Baptist Church has been a part of every one of them. We've contributed a lot of volunteers and a lot of money to build these houses for deserving families. Last year, St. Matthew's made a decision that we were going to increase our level of commitment to Habitat for Humanity. And so in May, golfers gathered at the Cardinal Club in Shelbyville. And when the last shot was struck, $20,000 was donated to Habitat for Humanity.
Hello, my name is Conway Stone. I'm the coordinator of the Baptist Habitat House, and I need to say a special thank you to the folks at St. Matthew's Baptist Church and the Bob Downs Golf Tournament. You guys have made a tremendous difference here. Thank you for your work with the Bob Downs Golf Tournament and Habitat here in Louisville.
It's such an honor and a privilege to be pastor of St. Matthew's Baptist Church. People from across the state and even friends from around the country ask me what it's like to be the pastor of this church. And I always am happy to tell them what a blessing it is and what great folks make up our church family. You're so loving and so gracious, and I love to tell them about how we serve this community and how we reach out around the world with the love of Christ. What's going to be your part? Will you pray? Will you play? Will you volunteer? Will you give to make a difference for another family who needs a hand up for the glory of God?